Why your HVAC keeps turning off, proven solutions. Your HVAC keeps turning off due to common issues like dirty air filters, overheating, from blocked coils or hoses, low refrigerant, or electrical problems, often triggering safety shutdowns. Check filters and obstructions first, then look for tripped breakers, but persistent issues need professional help for leaks or faulty parts like the thermostat or control board. Common causes and solutions. Dirty air filters, restricts airflow, causes overheating. Solution. Clean or replace filters monthly. Overheating, from blocked coils, exhaust, or direct sun. Solution. Clear outdoor unit, exhaust hose, shade unit, clean coils, ensure proper installation, leveling. Low refrigerant, causes poor cooling and short cycling. Solution. Requires a professional to find and fix leaks and recharge. Electrical issues, tripped breakers, bad wiring, faulty capacitors. Solution. Check, reset breaker. Call electrician for wiring issues. Faulty thermostat, misreads temperature, causes shutdowns. Solution. Check for dust, misalignment, professional diagnosis needed. Timer settings, sleep mode, energy saving features can turn unit off. Solution. Check remote settings for timers or eco modes. Short cycling. Unit turns on, off rapidly, often due to filters, low refrigerant, thermostat. Solution. Address underlying cause. Avoid use if cycling rapidly to prevent compressor damage. When to call a pro, if cleaning filters and checking the breaker doesn't work. If you suspect refrigerant leaks, hissing, ice. If the unit continues to short cycle or won't turn on at all. For potential control board or compressor issues.